I can't believe this is so dry. Wow, cheating ass. Goddamn. They better hit the deep stuff. It made me drive out here for nothing. Sounds broken. Hey! Just like that. There ain't nothing over here, Big Daddy.
There's a box of cheeses back here with like
Cheetits.
This is why I need bears.
Oh, you spun the log. You didn't even get over it. Oh, you don't have fucking power steering? It got AC.
I don't even know if I should have this thing first or not. Oh, I got a big ass hitch in the back too.
What do you tow with this? A camper?
Oh, this is kind of slick. Kind of want to smoke. I know it's coming.
Oh, dear.
No, sir.
No, sir. You ain't gonna get me today. It ain't that bad. You make it. If that stupid Geo made it, this thing should.
I'm gonna get snackled,
This is why I broke the windshield on the Geo.
Close.
bro. I wonder why.
I think I cut that tree down too. Oh, goddamn.
Solid action, baby.
Oh god.
Fuck. You hit my window. Oh, fuck.
There's a leaf stuck in my window. Oh, there's a bug. Where do you see bug? He ran into the tree.
I love the. I traded my wheels for this. Breaks it.
I wonder why.
Something
north to
sounds
Jamaica.
fucked.
Just take the same route. It's alright. Let's see if we can get out there another way. Shall we? I can't see.
Who needs a lumberjack?
You better hope that was pumpkin.
She need a lift.
That's a big one. Oh.
The tree you just ran over?
Trees,
Look, Scooby-Doo having some fun.
plural. You got a light on. Is that
I'm not
fuel?
trying to get touched by trees.
Let's see our gas light. Gas light. Two-wheel drive, baby.
Why does it sound like there's cooking pans in the
I
back?
told you the hitch is in the back.
Oh, it's not hooked in. Oh, that's
how you
why.
bend.
There's a bunch of metal crap in the trunk. It's just bouncing around.
Go straight down it.
I thought the Ford is broken.
Oh, we went high center.
Just give it momentum.
Look, a big spider coming.
Oh yeah, it will be on
And I was like, what do we do? Straight roller coaster style,
Jesus.
That was 40.
That diff sounds like someone shaking chiclets.
Water bottle. Oh, it just levitated. Water bottle. That's a seatbelt
Oh
plug.
shit.
Ooh.
Pictures. I'm scared.
Split this gap maybe?
Nah,
Right here?
yeah, you're right.
Got a log, but
That's a big log too. Uh-oh, she came home.
oh, a tree.
Yeah, she's getting hot. Gotta let her cool down. Look at that. Turn right over.
Somehow it sounds worse.
Forward drive.
This thing's hot, boy. He's gonna fucking kill this thing. Immediately. Pussy. Nice vagina, loser. Chevy.
The big brown head.
Still waiting. Let's see if he takes the steep line. Man line, man line, man line. Whack.
Run.
That's a long run up.
Yeah. How am I supposed to do that? Yeah, he's gonna win. He's up on his roof.
That thing sounds broken.
What? I mean,
What are you doing?
is that a hole or something like that? What type of hole is that? Is that a Bigfoot hole?
It might be a fox.
Huh?
Oh wait, that? No, that's not a fox.
What is it?
It's
There's a
just.
small footprint.
It looks like it might just be erosion.
There's a small footprint that looks like a deer foot, but it's not.
In a
think-
minute.
Maybe it's a deer, baby deer. Ah! Oh, tail light.
You got frog.
Oh,
Frog.
want him?
Put it in the camera. Oh, that's a little frog. Put it in front of the camera.
No.
Well, don't let him jump on me.
Let him jump in.
He done jumped on me.
You should have seen me.